Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I put together my chip bags. So let's get started. For this tutorial we will use our brochure paper, our scissors, our sealer, our double-sided tape, and our chips. And once we're done designing, we're going to go ahead and print out our labels. First, we're going to cut out our label. Remember to leave both sides on the label. We're only going to cut off the top and the bottom part. And we're doing this because some of the chip bags are made for different sizes, so we will definitely need some extra room. Next, we're going to grab our double-sided tape and tape the entire back perimeter of our label. Now we will fold our label. By folding our label, it makes it so much easier for assembly. I like to stick a piece of double-sided tape in the middle where I'll sit the chip bag because I like to have it secured in place. Now let's pull all of the backing off of the double-sided tape. You could also avoid all of this time taking by purchasing a double-sided tape gun. I haven't been able to find one. I'm definitely looking for one, but in the meantime, this process definitely works. Next, we're going to grab our chip bags and place it down on our label. And we're going to take the two short ends and we're going to line them up together. As we're lining up our two short ends, be sure to pinch it closed where the double-sided tape is. Now we're going to pinch close the top part of our label. See how we line everything up? And then we're going to pinch close the bottom part. And you can already see our little chip bags forming. So the next step is completely optional. We can actually stop right here. You see how perfect the chip bag already look. But sometimes I like to add a little razzle dazzle. So I'm going to take this sealer that I bought. It's a paper sealer. My first time using it was on this video. And I'm going to seal it and add the ruffles to the chip bags. And there we have it, our beautiful custom chip bags. And because I am getting ready for a party, I will be showing you all how I handle my bulk orders. I hope you enjoy. I do have a full tutorial to the chip bags, and I will leave it down in the description below just in case you wanted to check it out. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And for more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious!